أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم in the name Lahir of Allah, Rahmanir, the most gracious, Rahim, the most merciful. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim is a haruf muqatti'at. Nobody knows the meaning of haruf muqatti'at except only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala know the meaning of them. Zalikal, that, Kitabu is the book, La, not, Raiba, doubt, Fihi, in it, Hudal, guidance, Lil Muttaqeen, for the God conscious. Allazina, those who, Yu'minuna, believe, Bil Ghaibi, in the unseen, Wa yuqimuna, and establish, Salat, the prayers, wa mimma, and out of what, razaqnahum, we have provided them, yunfikun, they spend. Wallazina, and those who, yu'minuna, believe, bima, in that, unzila, is sent down, ilayka, to you, wama, and what, unzila, was sent down, min qablik, before you, wabil akhirati, and in the hereafter, whom they, yuqinun, firmly believe. Ulaika, those, ala, are on, khudam, guidance, mir, from, rabbihim, their Lord, wa ulaika, and those, humul, they, muflihun, are the successful ones. Innal, indeed, lazina, those who, kafaru, disbelieved, sawaun, it is same, alayhim, to them, anzartahum, whether you warn them, or lam, not, tunzirhum, you warn them, la, not, yu'minun, they believe. Khatam Allahu, Allah has set a seal, ala, on, qulubihim, their hearts, wa ala, and on, sam'ihim, their hearings, wa ala, and on, absarihim, their vision, wishawatum, is a wheel, walahum, and for them, azabun, is a punishment, azim, great. Waminan, and of, nasi, the people, mai, are some who, yaqulu, say, amanna, we believed, billahi, in Allah, wa bil yawmil, and in the day, akhiri, the last, wama, but not, whom they, bimu'minin, are believers at all. Yukhadi'un Allah, they ask to deceive Allah, wallazina, and those who, amanu, believed, wama, and not, yakhda'una, they deceive, illa, except, anfusahum, themselves, wama, and not, yashurun, they realize it, fi qulubihim, fi, in qulubihim, their hearts, marazun, is a disease, fazadahumullahu, so Allah increased them, maraza, in disease, walahum, and for them, azabun, is a punishment, alimum, painful, bima, because, kanu, they used to, yakzibun, they lie, wa iza, and when, qila, it is said, lahum, to them, la, do not, tufsidu, spread corruption, fill in, arzi, the earth, Qalu, they say, innama only nahnu we muslihun are reformers. Allah, beware, innahum, indeed they, humul themselves, al mufsidun are the ones who spread corruption. Walakil, and but la not yashurun, they realize it. Waiza, and when kila it is said, lahum to them, aminu, believe, kama as amanan believed, nasu, the people. Kalu, they say, anu'minu, should we believe, kama as Amanas believed, Sufaha, the fools. Allah, be aware, innahum, certainly they, homos themselves, Sufaha, are the fools, walakin, and but, la not, ya'lamun, they know. Wa and when, laqul they meet, Lazina, those who Amanu, believe, Qalu, they say, Amanna, we believe, Waiza, but when Khalau, they are alone, Ila which Shayatinihim, their evil ones, Qalu, they say, Inna, indeed we, Ma'akum, are with you, innama only, nahnu we, mustahziun, are mockers. Allahu Allah, yastahziu, mocks, bihim at them, wayamudduhum, and prolongs them, fi in tughyanihim, their transgression. Ya'mahun, they wander blindly. Ulaikal, those whose, lazina shar, the one who, tarawuz, zalalata, the straying, bil huda, for the guidance, fama so not, rabihat, profited, tijaratuhum, their commerce, wama and not, kanu, were they, muhtadin, guided ones, mathalahum, their examples, kamasalil, is like the example, lazis, of the one who, tawkada, kindled, naran, fire, falamma, then when, azagat, it lighted, ma hawlahu, his surroundings, Zahaballahu, Allah took away, binurihim, their light, watarakahum, and left them, fi in zulumatil darkness, la yubsirun, so they do not see, summun deaf, bukmun dumb, umyun blind, fahum, so they, la yarjiun, they will not return. Aw, or kasaybim, like a rainstorm, minas, from samai, sky, fihi, in it are zulumatum, the darknesses, wara'adum, and thunder, wabarkun, and lightning, yajaluna, they put, asabiyahum, their fingers, fi in azanihim, their ears, minas, from sawaiki, the thunder collapse, hazaral, in fear, from al maut, the death, wallahu, and Allah, muhitum, is the one who encompasses, bil kafirin, the disbelievers. Yakadul, almost, al barku, the lightning, yakhtafu, snatches away, absarahum, their sight, Kullama, whenever, azaa, it flashes, lahum, for them, mashaw, they walk, fihi in it, Vaiza, and when Aslama, it darkens, alayhim on them, Kamu, they stand stiff. Walau, and if Sha Allahu, Allah had willed, Lazahaba, He would certainly have taken away bisama'ihim, their hearings, wa absarihim, and their sight. Inna indeed, Allah is on kulli every shay'in thing qadir, all powerful. Ya ayyuhan nasu ubudu, O mankind, worship Rabbakumul, your Lord, Lazi khalaqakum, created you, Wallazina, and those who min qablikum, before you, la'allakum, so that you may tattaqun, become righteous. Allazi, the one who ja'ala made lakumul, for you, al-arza, the earth, firasham, a resting place, wassamaa, and the sky, bina'am, a canopy, wa anzala, and sent down, minas samai, from sky, ma'an, water, wa akhraja, then brought forth, bihi, therewith, minas, from samarati, fruits, rizqal, as provision, lakum, for you. Fala, so do not tajalu, set up, lillahi, for Allah, andadam, rivals, wa antum ta'lamun, you know. Wa in, and if kuntum, you are fi, in raibim, doubt, mimma, about what nazzalna, we have revealed, ala, to abdina, our slave, fatu, then produce, bisuratim, a chapter, mim, of mislihi, like it, wad'u, and call, shuhada'akum, your witnesses, min dunillahi, other than Allah, in if kuntum, you are sadiqin, truthful. Fa'il, but if lam, not tafalu, you do, walan, and never tafalu, will you do, fattakun, then fear, nar al fire, lati, whose waquduhan, its fuel, annasu, is the men, wal hijaratu, and the stones, oiddat, prepared, lil kafirin, for the disbelievers, wabashiril, and give good news, lazina, those who amanu, believe, wa amilu, and do, as-salihati, the righteous deeds, anna, that lahum, for them, jannatin, will be gardens, tajri, flow, min them, tahtihal, under them, anharu, the rivers, kullama, every time, ruziku, they are provided, minha, therefrom, min, of, samaratir, fruit, rizqan, as a provision. Qalu, they will say, Hazal, this is lazi, the one which ruzikna, we were provided min qablu before. Wa utubihi, and they will be given mutashabiha, things in resemblance. Walahum, and for them fiha, therein azwajum, spouses mutahhara, purified. Wahum, and they fiha, therein khalidun, will abide forever. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, la yastahi, is not ashamed, an yazriba, to set forth masalam, an example, ma, like even ba'uzatan, of a mosquito, fama, and even something fawqaha, above it. فَأَمَّا, then as for lazina, those who amanu, believed, فَيَعْلَمُونَ, thus they will know, أَنَّهُ, that it haqqu, is the truth, mir, from Rabbihim, their Lord. وَأَمَّا, and as for lazina, those who kafaru, disbelieved, fayakuluna, thus they will say, maza, what aradallahu, did Allah intend, bihaza, by this mathala, example, yuzillu, he lets go astray, bihi, by it, kathiran, many, wayahdi, and he guides, bihi, by it, kathira, many, wama, and not, yuzillu, he lets go astray, bihi, by it, illal, except fasiqeen, the defiantly disobedient. Allazina, those who yanquzuna, break ahdallahi, the covenant of Allah, min ba'di, after mithakihi, ratification, wayaqta'una, and they cut ma, what amarallahu, Allah has ordered, bihi, it, ayyusala, to be joined, wayufziduna, and they spread corruption, fil arzi, in the earth, ulaika, those, humul, they, khasirun, are the losers. Kaifa, how, takfuruna, can you disbelieve, billahi, in Allah, wa kuntum, while you were amwatan, dead, ahyakum, then he gave you life, summa, then yumitukum, he will cause you dead, summa, then yuhyikum, he will give you a life, summa, then ilayhi, to him, turja'un, you will be returned. Huwal, he, lazi, is the one who khalaqa, created, lakum, for you, ma, what, fil arzi, is in the earth, jami'an, all, summa, smorava, tawa, he turned, ila samai, to the heaven, fasawwahunna, and fashioned them, sab'a, 7 samawat, heavens, wahuwa, and he, bikulli, of every shay'in, thing, alim, it all knowing. Sadaqallahul Azim. My next lecture in Surah Baqarah also, I start from the same place where I leave this lecture. Our next lecture is from Ruku 3 to Ruku 6 of Surah Al-Baqarah and Para Juz number 1. Hope to meet you soon in my that lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. If anybody want to learn the Quran translation in English and Urdu word by word, then please contact me on my WhatsApp number 00923165062162. Please like and subscribe my channel.